So today I'm here to discuss about the personal financial planning SEC paper of BCom program third semester. Here first we will starting with the code of this paper. So the code is 2416000004. Okay? This is the unique paper code, so you people don't get confused while filling your examination forms. Let's start with this paper verification by Delhi University. So if we talk about the credit allocation to this particular SEC paper, we have 2 credit points where one is indicating for your theory exam, one is indicating for your practical. If we go for the theory examination verification, the first we have exam which you will give to your particular respective center in your college, which will be of 30 marks. Keep remember your SEC paper of personal financial planning, the overall theory paper which you are going to be faced in Delhi University at the time of your paper. The marks will be of 30 marks and 1 hour allocation will be there. Okay? You have 1 hour to solve the 30 mark theory paper of personal financial planning. If we go for the internal assessment part, so 10 marks will be there for your internal assessment, which will be conducted or taken by your respective teacher who is taking your personal financial planning paper in your college. If we go for the practical, so here practical will be of 40 marks, which will be divided into 10 plus 20 plus 10. 20 for your lab. It depends on your college or the teacher. He or she might take the lab or give you a assignment of 20 marks. 10 for CA, that is continuous assessment. 10 marks for your Viva. So overall will be there 40 marks practical in the SEC paper of your personal financial planning. So overall the weightage of this particular SEC paper will be of 80 marks, right? So this is the verification of your personal financial planning. 30 marks for theory paper, 10 for internal assessment and 40 for your lab practical. Again repeating, this can be your lab practical, this can be your assignment purpose, or teacher allocate you certain case studies, teacher can allot you certain assignment to design one particular retirement plan for one particular age of class interval, right? So it depends on your particular teacher whether she's or he conducting a lab or he's conducting a assignment, practical assignment. If we go for the syllabus part, so we have total 5 units in your personal financial planning, where the first unit will be of introduction to financial planning. Okay? Basically introduction to your personal financial planning. Second unit will be investment planning. We all are aware in today's scenario that it's very important for each and every student, especially for commerce department, to decide like in which particular segment of the market there is a good opportunity or a cream opportunity to invest in the market. So in second basically unit you are going to study that what are the different scopes of investment in India market, basically in India market. Then if we go for the third part, so here we have personal tax planning. We all are aware that we as an Indian are always looking for the loopholes, like which are the loophole from where we can minimize our tax responsibility. So here we are going to study the personal tax planning, how we need to allocate our resources to at least come out with a effective or optimal tax payment from the individual. Then fourth, insurance planning. We all are aware that the insurance are very important and we have different types of insurance. So which insurance policy are giving more coverage, and what are the different insurance policies for the kids, for your old age, like for example grandparents and parents. So we are going to study about the insurance planning, that how we need to plan our family insurance, or also vehicle insurance, two-wheeler insurance also including in this particular fourth unit. And the last fifth, that is retirement planning. We all are aware enough if we are doing job, or some of you will definitely go for a job perspective, because I am saying some of, just because maybe mostly people go for their own business and all. So retirement planning, if we are in a job profile, so we need to prepare our portfolio in such a way so that in a future when we are at the age of 60 or 60 plus, so we don't need to worry about our finance, right? So it's not, retirement planning is just not for ourselves, it can be useful for our parents, for our grandparents too, right? And if still we are going for a business, so still we need a retirement planning, because if we are doing a particular business and we are into a particular specific business profile, then still at certain after a certain age limit we need rest, our body needs rest, and at that time we need some annuity basically simply mean that payment of something with equal interval or with equal amount, right? So this all will be covered in retirement planning. If we go for the books reference, so we have J Madura, that is from Pearson publication, A Pandit for from Network 18 publication, then M Sena, that is from McGraw-Hill publication, and fourth one is V Tripathi from Texman publication. So these are the four Indian authors books which you can refer for your particular personal financial planning SEC paper. So this is all about the performa or scenario or credit allocation, then marks allocation to this particular SEC paper. If still you are getting confused with any of the points, so just connect with your teachers or DM in the video. Stay tuned.